What's up guys, and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing this HILTI Nuron cordless radio. This is the R622. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button guys. I appreciate all your love and support. Now let's get into the video. Okay. HILTI always has the best packaging. Some things are a little bit tough to get out, but that's good. I would rather a lot of packaging than no packaging. Let's get rid of that. So we got manual and 2 AAA batteries. And, oh wow, this is a beauty. Wow. Wow. I really like this radio. That's so nice. That's a beauty. All right, so let's go over what it has. So on the back here, this is your antenna for the radio. Okay, your battery slot there. Then here you have an auxiliary in and a USB import. Okay, and on the front here, you have your power button, the tuning button, I'm assuming, your mode, your preset, your Bluetooth, your equalizer, and a clock. So I'm assuming AAA batteries are for the clock. Obviously not to power the radio because it's powered by a Nuron battery. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna need a Phillips screwdriver. Get to this battery. Okay, here we are. Okay, we're gonna put these in like so. We are going to put the cover back on with the screw. So that is going to give us a clock. Okay. Now, let's get a battery in this. Okay, battery is in. Turn it on. We're gonna, unfortunately, I gotta keep the volume down. Can't play any music through it due to copyright stuff here on YouTube. But I can go through the features with you. So this is your mode button. That's to set the clock. I'll do that later. You got your Bluetooth, so you can hook it up to your phone and play your Spotify, Apple Music. Have you FM, AM. You got your presets here, your equalizer. Let's see what we can do with the equalizer. So equalizer. Oh yeah, okay, we can turn the bass way up, treble way up. Okay, your volume, and then here's your clock, so you can have your clock running there. And then when you power it off, it does power off the clock as well. Let's take the battery out, put the battery back in, and your clock is going to stay the same. Yeah, this looks like a very nice, it's got a little bit of weight to it, but I mean, it feels very durable, and we got, it looks like 2 4-inch speakers here, 2 tweeter speakers above, very nice grill, and all of this black is all rubber and the rest is hard plastic. Handle is rubber as well. Bottom sits on some rubber feet. So yeah, definitely feels very durable. And I cannot wait to crank this on site. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button on your way out, guys. And we'll see you guys in the next video.